Hello, my name is Vandana Berder and I'm working as a program officer with ActionAid Association, Hyderabad Regional Office. ActionAid is a non-profit organization which has been working over the last 50 years for the rights of the most underprivileged women, children, farmers and the most poverty-stricken communities. In Hyderabad region, we have been working specifically with the youth and the young children, young women, and specifically focusing on their sexual and reproductive health rights. So our association with Precitech has been extremely good in the sense when we started working on menstrual health and hygiene program in Hyderabad and Visakhapatnam with the adolescent girls. So apart from sensitizing them on ensuring safe menstrual health, we also focused on providing them some kind of benefit which is a long-term process for them, which is a long-term benefit for them. So apart from generating awareness and sensitization programs in the communities and also organizing health camps, apart from also providing them sanitary pads, we thought that once we come out of those community, what is it that we can benefit, that they can benefit out of this program in the long run, and that's how we got in touch with Precitech. The thing that we were able to collaborate was on sanitary napkin vending machine and incinerator, and we had lot of search as an organization. We searched many other companies and many other different vendors. But when we personally reached, I personally went to Precitech in their office in Sikandrabad. I was very impressed. And major three things that impressed me the most about Precitech is that first of all, it is not just technology based, because in communities, in the slums, in the urban slums, it's not always handy to have a technology based solution, but we wanted something manual. So the very first thing that we were able to ask Precitech was that can they make a manual driven sanitary napkin vending machine, and they were able to do it. And also the coin that we use, so usually a sanitary napkin vending machine, we wanted something that a beneficiary can put 1 rupee or 2 rupee coin and immediately the sanitary pad will be they can receive it. So they were actually able to manually provide us that particular sanitary napkin vending machine. And secondly, I really appreciate another thing is that even though their office is here and we were conducting our programs in Visakhapatnam, so they were able to deliver it